Hey everyone! Are you looking for a super easy way to create amazing talking animations using AI? Well, you're in the right place.
With just a few clicks, you can bring your characters to life.
Simply upload your script or voice recording, and watch as the AI creates a realistic, engaging animation for you. Whether it's for a presentation, a YouTube video, or even social media, this tool lets you create professional-grade animations in no time.
Ready to give it a try? Head over to www.vidnoz.com and start creating your talking animations today.
Let's dive right in. First, open any browser of your choice, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go to the website www.vidnoz.com. This platform is a fantastic tool where you can create AI-powered videos in just 1 minute. To get started, log in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find a wide array of video templates ready for you to choose from. These templates cover various themes and styles, making it easy to find one that suits your project. The dashboard is user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through the options effortlessly. For this example, I'll be selecting one of the avatars. To do so, click on the avatar you like, and then click the Create Video with this avatar button. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to select the aspect ratio of your video. Aspect ratio is essential depending on where you plan to share your video. Choose the ratio that best fits your needs. After selecting, you'll be redirected to the editing studio, which is where the magic happens. Welcome to the editing studio. Here you can craft your video from start to finish. The first step is to add your script. Let's write a simple script. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Chimp. Type it into the text box provided. You'll notice that as you type, the avatar will sync with your text, making it come alive with each word. If at any point you want to change the avatar, simply click on the avatar button on the left panel. A new menu will open, showcasing multiple avatars, including options for both males and females. Each avatar has unique actions and expressions. You can even upload your own photo to be used as an avatar. This feature lets you animate yourself or any character you prefer. Now let's style our avatar to make it look more professional or fun, depending on the theme of your video. Click on the Style button. You'll find various outfits and accessories to choose from. Let's say you want to dress your avatar in a formal suit. Select it from the list, and you'll see the outfit change instantly. You can even switch to a circle head or square head, or go for a voice-only avatar if that's what you prefer. Currently, the background is looking a bit plain. Let's spice it up. Click on the background button on the left. You'll be presented with several options, ranging from abstract patterns to real-life settings. Choose the one that best complements your avatar and theme. Now the video looks much more vibrant and engaging. But wait, there's more. You can add stickers to make your video even more lively. Click on the sticker button, browse through the list, and select a sticker that fits your content. Drag and drop it anywhere in the scene. It's that easy. This adds a fun element and makes your video more visually appealing. If you want to go beyond static images, you can also add videos, images, and music to your scene. Click on the video button to upload your own video clips or choose from the pre-stored options. The same goes for images and music. Adding a background track or relevant images can enhance the storytelling aspect of your video. Don't have a script ready? No worries. Vidnoz has a built-in AI script generator. Click on the AI script button, and then click the Generate Script button. Enter a few keywords related to your topic, and the AI will craft a script for you. If the script seems too long, click on the Shorten button, and it will condense the content while retaining the main message. Once you're happy with the script, click Apply to add it to your scene. You can even create a conversation between two characters. Simply add separate scripts for each character on either side of the screen, and the AI will simulate a dialogue. Click on the Upload Voice button to add your own voiceover to the scene. This can make your video feel more authentic and relatable. If you prefer to use a different voice, click on the Voice button and choose from a list of available voices. You can also modify the speech, pitch, and volume to match the tone of your video. And if you don't want subtitles, you can easily disable them too. After making all your changes and perfecting your video, it's time to generate it. Click on the Generate button, and Vidnoz will start processing your video. This might take a few moments, so be patient. While it's working, take a break and get ready to see the final result. Finally, your video is ready. Party popper, click on the Download button to save it to your device.
Hello and welcome to Tech Chimp. Today, we're diving into the latest tech trends. AI and machine learning are transforming industries like healthcare and finance.
Now let's watch the final product.
Hello and welcome to Tech Chimp. Today, we're diving into the latest tech trends. AI and machine learning are transforming industries like healthcare and finance. Smartphones keep evolving with features like foldable designs and 5G. IoT is connecting devices for seamless living. Cloud gaming, VR, and AR are revolutionizing the gaming world. Cybersecurity remains crucial as threats grow. Tech companies are focusing on sustainability and social impact. Stay tuned for more tech updates and tips on Tech Chimp. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for the latest content. Thanks for joining us, and keep exploring the wonders of tech.
Looks fantastic, right? You've successfully created an AI-powered video with stunning animations and customizations. If you're happy with the result, don't hesitate to share it on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Your audience will be amazed by the quality and creativity of your video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, TechChimp, for more amazing content. Keep creating and have fun.